When it comes to sight glass safety, certain rules are absolute. Here are LJ Star's top never-evers to keep your people safe and your plant processes running smoothly. Inspections matter. Your sight glass is under pressure, literally. Sight glasses operate under extreme pressure and temperature, making regular inspections essential. Shine a concentrated light at a 45-degree angle and examine anything that glistens. Set it right. Proper seating is required. Smooth, flat, and within 0.005 inches of spec with a smooth finish. Damage equals danger. If the glass is compromised, it needs to be replaced. Full stop. Before conducting any maintenance or cleaning, shut down, depressurize, and let systems cool down. Clean smart with soft cloth and commercial glass cleaners. Wire brushes and abrasives are a hard no. Torque with technique. Follow established tightening sequences after cool down for any bolts. And always keep gaskets new, clean, and smooth using specified sizes with the proper diameter. METAGLAS is the only sight glass that can be safely reinstalled after cleaning without danger of reinstallation stress failure following proper procedures. Never forget, when dealing with pressure and process visibility, there's never room for compromise on safety. Subscribe for more sight glass tips and visit our website ljstar.com.